And welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox Fluxus injection failed or the load live fail DLL not found. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first method you can try to fix this error is installing the Roblox UWP to fix the common Roblox error problems. So again, if you're facing the injection failed or the load live fail or the DLL not found errors in your Roblox, it is often due to missing or outdated files in your Roblox installation. So here's how to address this issue. So first, just visit the GitHub link. So just follow this link right here, or you can copy and paste this one. And I am also going to put this link in the description down below, so you can just check that link in there. So you need to go into the link to access the download page for the specific version of Roblox, namely the Roblox UWP. So after that, just download the Roblox UWP. So once you're on the GitHub page, click on to the download link for the Roblox UWP. So this is the download link right here. Then after doing so, after downloading, just run the installer file. So during the installation, you'll be prompted to install or reinstall Roblox. So this process reinstalls an older but stable version of Roblox that includes the required LoadLibFail DLL file. So just following the steps and installing Roblox UWP, you should be able to resolve the error and get back to playing Roblox without any further issues. And then the next thing that you can do is keeping your Windows updated for Roblox compatibility. So ensuring that your operating system is up to date is crucial for seamless experience in games like Roblox. So outdated Windows versions can lead to compatibility issues affecting your gameplay. So here's how to update your Windows system. So first, just access Windows Update settings. So open your Windows settings and then navigate to the Windows Update section and then check for available updates. So just click for the check for updates to see if any update are available for your system, and if there's an update available, you just need to download and install them. So this process might require a restart of your computer. So just regularly updating Windows not only ensures compatibility with applications like Roblox, but also maintains the overall stability and security also of your system. So keeping your Windows OS updated is a key step in ensuring an optimal gaming experience. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.